Okay, you know you love a wig when you don't even want to take it off, even though you have other wigs to review. And I'm like sitting here, I don't want to take it off. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia, and I am a wig coach, wig educator, and wig retailer with Tia Maria Wigs. And today I have a wig review for you today. This is not a wig that I have reviewed or even worn before, so I'm very excited, and it's in a wonderful color, so I'm also excited about that. Before we get there, this is Dalgona 16 by Belle Tress in the discontinued color of Iced Lavender Latte. And I just did a video where I had 3 different wigs in this discontinued color, and then I decided on keeping one of them and putting the other 2 in my live sale. So this is the one I kept, and I'm very happy, and I think I definitely made the right decision. Okay, so the next one isn't a discontinued color. We have a wig here called Tropical Punch. All of Belle Tress's wigs are heat safe, heat friendly. This is the color called BrownSugar SweetCream, which is amazing. I love this. I have Peerless 22 is one of my favorite wigs, and I do have Peerless in this color. So let's go ahead and look at the specs on this one. This one is the hand-tied lace front, and this is the wide center part. Okay, and the rest of the cap is a standard. It's got the soft extended ear tabs, the soft extended nape, bra strap type adjusters, and open wefts in the back. Because this is long, I'm going to go ahead and take the tag off because I know it's going to start getting messed up in here. Without really seeing this wig, it does look like my kind of style, so I mean, it's beautiful, it's long, that's kind of what I like, that's what I go for. Beautiful and long. Ooh, this feels light. And I love a center part. This reminds me of a discontinued wig from Paula Young. It was one of her braided, I think it was braided waterfall, like if you unbraided it. Ooh, I like this a lot. Oh my gosh, so this is all the hair to the front, so it's not crazy. If you know me, if you've been here, you know that those wigs are like my favorite, and I have one in every color. I might just be keeping this one. I really did not plan to, but she is checking all my boxes. I love a center part. I love a long, realistic density. So even though it's long, it's not like so much hair. I do like that about this style. It is long, but literally this is all the hair to the front. So I'm working with all of the hair. Sometimes I feel like wigs are long, and that's all well and good. But I used to have hair that was, my natural hair used to be longer than this. And it was curly, but it definitely thinned out more towards the bottom, and I don't care, it's a synthetic wig, so you know, it is what it is. But a lot of times these longer synthetic wigs will just have too much bulk on the bottom to appear realistic in any way. And so, you know, I don't care that people know that I wear wigs, but if I'm walking around and a stranger sees me, I don't want them to immediately be like, oh, that has to be a wig, because there's just so much hair, and you know what I mean? I don't want someone to think about it in terms of, is it a wig or is it not a wig, like, at all. I absolutely love this wig. I'm probably going to keep this wig. I really, really would have told you in the beginning. Maybe I need to start saying that. Whether I think in the beginning I'm going to keep it or not, because I would not have thought that. The only thing I hate, and I don't know why this is, where this side it goes out and back, and that's what I love about the style, and this one kind of is going in, and I can redirect it, but it's just, why is that? Like, why? All right, let me go ahead and show you from the back. I'll have to stand up. Yeah, she long. I either have to retrain this, or this is the side, because I tend to tuck one side behind the ear. It just, for me, just what I end up doing. It reminds me so much of that Polly Young wig. Okay, so this is Tropical Punch. I love it, and I am surprised because I thought I would like it, but I did not expect to really love it enough to keep it in my collection. I have a bunch of wigs in my collection, but I'm very particular about keeping wigs. You know, because I'm a retailer, it can be tempting to keep so many, but you only have one head. And normally I keep wigs that are discontinued styles, discontinued colors. If I can get a wig again, other than like Ocean, which is like a daily wear type wig, I don't usually keep wigs that I could just go ahead and purchase on any given day. However, this gives me so much of that Polly Young braided waterfall when you unbraided it. And I'd say this has a little bit more hair than that does. I don't think that the braided waterfall like didn't have hair, but this definitely has a little bit more. And I appreciate it. It's not too much, but it's a little bit more. So that is what I have for you for Tropical Punch in the color Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. If you have the style and you have thoughts about it, please let me know. If you're familiar with the Polly Young wig that I'm talking about, I would like to know your thoughts in terms of if this is comparable to the braided waterfall. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so it's the next day and I am wearing this wig out today. So I thought that I would film how I got it to look like this, what I did, how I made it my own. So that's what you're going to see next. A little bonus clip of me getting this together as if I'm, not as if, because I am going to wear it for the day. So let's get to it.